Hello everybody, today we are making some Korean fried chicken or Yangnyeom-Tongdak and some macaroni, which is super easy to make and it turns out so delicious that you will be licking your fingers at the end. I hope that you enjoyed this video, so without further ado, let's get started.
अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो उसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं ताकि हर आने वाली रेसिपी आप सबसे पहले देख सकें।
So to make this Yangnyeom-Tongdak, we are going to need half a cup of flour. You can use all-purpose flour or whole wheat flour. Next, add some salt and pepper according to your taste. Then you're going to add in 2 eggs. It doesn't really matter if they're at room temperature or they're cold. Next, you're going to add a quarter cup of corn flour, baking soda 1 teaspoon. Then you're going to add in some boneless chicken. It should be according to how much you want chicken in your macaroni. Then we're going to heat the oil. Now first dip some chicken in the oil and see if it starts bubbling around it. That means that the oil is at the right temperature, and so you will start to add the rest of your chicken and just fry them. You should be doing this at a medium heat. Do not do this at a high heat because then it can get burned, and since we're going to fry it 2 times because Yangnyeom-Tongdak or Korean fried chicken is super crispy, and without that it's not Korean fried chicken. So to do that, we're going to fry this twice. Now as you can see, this is light golden brown. I'm going to take this off in a frying rack kind of thing which allows it to drain the excess oil. I'm going to take all the chicken pieces out, and then once I have dried them, I'm going to put them back in the oil and then fry them once again for about 5 minutes. Next thing we'll be making is the seasoning sauce, for which I have heated some oil in my frying pan and then added some minced garlic. Then you're going to add in some ketchup, depends on how much you want to make the sauce and how much chicken you already have. Next you're going to add in some red chili powder. It depends on you how much you want this because of the spiciness. And then you're going to add about 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix this mixture really well and cook it on a low flame. That's really important. Next you are going to add in some red chili flakes. It depends on how much you want them because of the spiciness once again. And then you're going to add in your honey. Honey is important because we are making spicy and sweet seasoning sauce, which is an important component in our Yangnyeom-Tongdak. Next you're going to add in your fried chicken and mix it really well until it covers this, and it's pretty much ready. The next thing you're going to do is just boil your macaroni and assemble your dish, and we're done here. So this dish has too many advantages. It's like super easy to make and you can prep it in no time. This is just amazing to see. It is just amazing how easy this is actually, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe so we know that you enjoyed it and we make more content like this in the future. I hope that everyone stays safe, and if you try this recipe, please comment down below how this turned out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Delicious.